back to our channel. Today we made baked banana bread in Vietnamese style. It's the best way to use up old breads and ripened bananas. It has a taste of bread pudding but delicious, with caramelized banana chunks on top, which gives it an amazing golden brown color. First, we need 10 small ripened bananas or 5 big bananas, and prepare for at least 2 hours or overnight. Slice into thin pieces. Use 2/3 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of any liquor to marinate banana slices for at least 2 hours in the fridge. We need more ingredients for this, so Mom writes down here for you. Mom also made her breads for this. You can look for the recipe in the description below. Now let's start it. First, we need to rip the breads into small pieces. Pour the whole can of coconut cream in. Add milk after that. Mix it well and let it rest for 15 minutes for the bread absorb all the liquid. Turn the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. The marinade bananas will, after 2 hours in the fridge, stir it well again. Whisk eggs before pour it out into the bread. Mix well to combine. Now pour 3/4 of banana into bread bowl. Leave 1/4 for the topping. Mix well to combine. Microwave butter for 30 seconds until melted. Add flour into the mixture. Mix well again. Pour the mixture into preparing 8 inches cake pan. Arrange the left of the bananas on top. Pour all the sugar left on top too. That's for tasty caramel's top. Now drizzle melted butter on the top. Now into the 350 Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes or until it's done. If you want more brown on top, turn oven to 375 Fahrenheit and bake for another 10 minutes. When it's done, leave the cake in the oven for another 10 minutes. Cool it down on rack. Do not take it out. The cake needs uncovered chilling time in the fridge for at least 3 hours or overnight before serving. Do not cover the cake when chilling. It will make the top a little musky. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy our video. See you next time. Bye!